Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I will be doing a music video reaction. So Vedant's new video has dropped. The song is called Va. And I knew during the release of the song that yes, it has dropped, but I was waiting for the subtitles. And then I read a comment that the meaning of the song is given in the description. I absolutely did not even think of checking out the description because I assumed that since his last two songs had the subtitles, so he'll probably upload it. So I did read the lyrics. They are very hard hitting. The point of me waiting for the subtitles was that I knew that he would write something of really, really deep meaning. His lyrics are amazing. So yes, I'm just gonna read like a snippet. The first three lines that he has written, that Va is an outcry calling to come closer to the truth, and it exists in the world of labor, in the world of difference, struggles, and basically everyday life. It is basically a calling. The song is basically a calling to all of this. And when I read the entire lyrics, there was one verse which completely like hit me, and I'm just gonna point that out because that was my favorite verse when I was going through the lyrics. Here it's written, wait, it's quite hard hitting. Here it is. Where there is oppression, fists must rise. Where there is discrimination, voices must rise. Where men are slaves, rebellions must rise. Where there are fetters, pick up your hammers, come. I don't know how many times I read this line because that was something which was so, it just came from his heart. The entire lyrics, if you read through the entire song, for those who do not know the meaning, it has come from the heart, and also it has come from a place of frustration and anger. It's like a volcano erupting. So yes, now that I know the overall meaning of the song and I've gone through the lyrics, I'm just gonna enjoy his rapping style, the beats. Let me see what kind of beats he has used and what kind of what is the tempo basically of his rap, and if he has used any visuals which connect with the lyrics. So let's see. All right, I definitely want to know your thoughts on the song. So please do share in your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, let's start, guys. Crowdfunded project.
അവിടെ ഉയരണം കരങ്ങൾ, എവിടെ വർഗവാദം അവിടെ ഉയരണം സ്വരങ്ങൾ, എവിടെ മനിതനടിമ അവിടെ വിപ്ലവങ്ങളാകണം, എവിടെ ചങ്ങലകൾ അവിടെ കൂട്ടങ്ങളായി വാ. ഓർക്കണം ഈ പാരിൽ വാഴുവാൻ വീരനാവണം, പേമഴയ്ക്ക് മേൽ പരുന്തു പോലെ നാം പാറണം, ഇരകളായവൻ കരങ്ങൾ അറിവിനായുധങ്ങൾ പേറി നരികൾ വാഴും ഈ വനത്തിൽ പുലികളായി
music is nice.
പാറകൾ തുളച്ച് നീരി തേടി വേര് പോലെയോടി പാതകൾ തെളിച്ച് നീതി തേടി കാറ്റ് പോലെയോടി വീതികൾ ലരിച്ച് കെടാ ജ്യോതിയായി പടർന്ന് കേറി പാതികടൽ താണ്ടി നീതി എത്ര ബാക്കി ദൂരെയായി തീരമുണ്ട് വീരമുണ്ട് വിടുതലുണ്ട് വീണിടേണ്ട താങ്ങതുണ്ട് നോവ് തീരും നാളതുണ്ട് ആറിലും മരിപ്പതുണ്ട് നൂറിലും മരിപ്പതുണ്ട് ആശയിൽ മരിപ്പവൻ ആയിരം പിറപ്പതുണ്ട് വാ.
Nice. Hrithik Sasikumar. Wow. Creative director Harsha, costume designer design Arachal. All the people involved, well done, because it's a crowdfunded project, so I completely understand the significance. Together we stand, divided we fall. This is the line that was the first, I think that this was the basic class of social sciences that in school that we used to study. Like we used to be taught this: together we stand united. You know, if we are together, if we are divided, we're gonna fall. Okay, let me stop this first. Okay, so I've opened the lyrics. If I have to go through certain lines of the lyrics, I open. So, okay, let's talk about first the video. I love the video. He kept it simple, but there were a couple of visuals which were really powerful. Especially, I love the visual where a lot of, like, he was standing and rapping, and all the people around him were holding the smartphone and just filming him, which could be interpreted in a way that we have, you know, become mere spectators. We have been mere spectators for so long, but it's time that we come together and raise our voice against whatever oppression, injustice that is happening around us. We cannot be mere spectators to the injustice that happens around us. We have to respond also. That visual was extremely powerful. It was my favorite visual over there. And I really liked, in terms of the beats, I liked that he kept it constant. There was not much variation because it was more of, you know, getting the meaning and the lyrics across and getting the message across, and not really about the beat. There was variation in his rapping style. If you see the tempo of the song remained constant, but you know, the way he was rapping, in terms of the rap speed, there were, you know, slight variations there which I liked. And I wish, for me, I feel that these kind of songs and all, I mean, it's great that they have given the entire meaning in the description box, but I feel they should upload the subtitles also. Whoever is from Vedant's team, I hope you upload the subtitles like you did for Bhumi and Voice of the Voiceless, because when you see the video and then you read the lyrics, you know, for someone like me who doesn't know the meaning, who doesn't know the language, so when you see the video and then you read the lyrics, that impact on that moment, you know, the immediate impact is something very different than when you actually, you just read something which is there in the description box, because visual impact is always much higher. So that was about the song. The lyrics are absolutely golden. The way, for me, that is why I was really waiting for the subtitles, because I knew he was going to write for something very meaningful. So I loved it. Though out of all the three, now I've listened to 3 raps of Vedant. So I think Voice of the Voiceless still remains my favorite. Even Bhumi is great. This is also good. Why is also great. I really like when, you know, when he raps and then he does wow. I really like that. The way he has, you know, made this rap, I really like it. But for me, Voice of the Voiceless, I don't know, the impact was so much when I had listened to that for the first time. So I think it still remains my favorite out of all the 3 songs and all the 3 raps that I've basically listened to. So yes, that was my reaction to Vedant's new rap, new video. It's congratulations. This was a crowdfunded project, and I think it'll pay off. It has already paid off. I'm seeing, look at the amazing like to dislike ratio. Very few people have disliked it. I don't know for what reason you have disliked it. I don't know. I don't understand the thinking that why would people I mean, there could be a logical explanation that why people would have disliked it, because you can't please everybody. Everybody has different opinions in the world, and which is fine. Which is fine. That's how you express your feelings in YouTube. But yes, I'm really happy to see the reach of the song. But I feel if they upload the subtitles, I think the impact of the video would be even more, especially for someone like me who doesn't know the language. So yes, that was my reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and yes, I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.